Are contact names not showing up on WhatsApp on your Android phone and only the saved numbers appear instead? Don't worry. This is likely just a temporary glitch, and with a few simple fixes, you can get it back to normal. So try the solution step by step. Solution 1. Refresh WhatsApp contacts. When this problem is just a temporary glitch, you can simply refresh it to fix it. Open WhatsApp, tap the new chat button. Now tap the three-dot menu in the corner. Tap refresh. This will refresh your contact list. So check if the contact names appear now. Solution 2. Allow WhatsApp contact permissions. To do this, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. Go to permissions and make sure all the permissions are given to WhatsApp. You can specifically open the contacts permission and ensure allow is selected. After that, restart WhatsApp and check again. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Corrupt cache can sometimes cause this issue, so if you clear it, your problem should be fixed. To do this, tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Now find the option called storage and tap on it. After that, clear cache. Now go back and restart WhatsApp completely. Hopefully, your contact names are visible again. Now, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next one.